Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So I'm on crash 1000 index and I want to analyze this market quickly so I can get an entry. If I can get a setup to enter a trade. So you watch closely as I analyze the market so you can also learn from it. All right, each time I want to analyze the market, I usually go to the higher time frame, like the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, to get the direction of the market and also mark out key levels, and then go down to lower time frames to find my entry. All right, so I'm on the daily time frame right now, and the market has been bearish for a very long time. And right now, you can see if we put a trend line right here, we can see the market has been bearish. Put the trend line right here, market has been bearish, and if you look at if you place the supportive trend line down here, you can notice that the market has been buying each time it gets to that trend line. One moment guys, let me adjust this and put it properly. One moment. All right, so you can see that the market has been buying each time it gets to that trend line, guys. So, and as it is, the market is getting closer to the lower part of this structure, meaning that there's a tendency the market might soon want to break out. There's a tendency the market might want to continue going up so that it will break out. But remember, there's an analysis, there's a strategy I shared with you guys that we use a daily time frame to analyze the market. Hold on, let me adjust this thing and put it well. I think there was where I saw a fake out somewhere here. I think I saw a fake out. Okay. All right. So you can see the fake out. This particular candlestick, this week out here is a fake out. All right. So you remember when I shared a strategy with you and I told you whenever you see the wicks of, use the daily candlesticks, the previous day's activity in the market or candlestick to determine what will possibly happen in the current day. All right, so now you can see that yesterday's high, which is right here, coincides with where we had this particular low here. If you look at the wicks, this low here and this high here, they coincide. They are at the same price, about the same price, meaning that this is a strong zone. Meaning this market came here, rejected and bought to the upside, and this market got here and rejected, sold down, sold to the downside. It means that this is a strong zone. We have to mark it out with the expectation that if the market can buy above this zone, this line, retest properly, there's a very high chance the market will be buying to the upside. That's what it actually means. And also there's another place to consider here. Okay, meanwhile, let me just show you. You see this place where you just put this trend line. If you go down to a lower time frame, you will notice that this is a strong support zone. This is a strong key level, support on resistance zone, because market bought from here and also sold from here, and this is on daily time frame. So if you go to lower time frame, we'll notice that this is a strong resistance and support zone, that is a key level. Then another place we should be, let's just go to the 15-minute time frame and look at where that line is. You see, on the 15 minutes time frame, look at where that line is. It's here, and you can see market bought and sold where we have this line. Market bought from here, sold from here, and also sold from here. Look at it here. So this is a very strong level in this market. Also, where we had that fake out, look at here. We had that fake out that week that was taken out as I was doing the trend line. You can see the wick came outside of the trend line and came back and retested. You see the massive buys to the upside. All right, so now let's go back to the daily time frame so that I continue showing you where we can be putting these lines. All right, then if the market can break above this blue line here, comes back to retest, it is expected for the market to continue buying to the upside. But there's another point in the market which you might want to be concerned. You should be concerned about. You can see where we have the low of this candlestick here. the low of the mean the wicks of these candlesticks and this wick here, they are almost about the same place, is another thing to worry about. So you can just duplicate this line and put it there, knowing fully well that that's another key level there in the market. As you can see, market bought and sold, market bought from here, and also sold from here. So it's a level to consider. Although as you can see on this daily time frame and this bullish candlestick, there was nothing like nothing showed that market actually, actually this level actually affected the market, and nothing also showed on this bearish candlestick. But yet we still need to understand that anything can happen in the market, so we need to put that line and be careful with it. So, and if you go down to a lower time frame, you'll see that level clearly. Let's go to the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, and look at what's happening there. And you can see, guys, this is a level the market has been buying and also selling. You can see right here. You can see the buys here. The buys here. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. Where is this? One moment. All right. I can't zoom in properly, but I just hope you can see what I'm trying to show to you. You can see market bought from here, bought from here, bought from here, and also bought all along this line. Market has been buying each time it gets to this level, then it broke through, came back, bought above. You can see the buys and the sells that's happening around this zone. Look at the sells here. Look at the sells here. Okay, you can see all this. So it means that this zone might also react again, but we just have to be careful when market gets to that level. All right, guys. So let's go back to the daily time frame. I'm just trying to make sure you understand these things. So now the idea now is this: since there is no real level here again on the daily time frame that can easily affect the movement of the market, so we expect if the market can easily break through this blue zone and this blue line here, the first one and the second one, and retest properly, there is a chance that the market would buy to the upside. Because first of all, this bearish candlestick and this bullish candlestick is I've forgotten how to call it, is a pattern that indicates possible movement in the market. Just like what happened here, you have a bearish candlestick and a bullish candlestick down, and you see that the market bought to the upside. So I am expecting the market, today's market, to on crash 1000 to be bullish. I'm expecting to be bullish. So on a good entry, you can make some good money trading this particular pair today. Meanwhile, let's go down to the 4-hourly time frame and see if there is something we can easily mark out there. All right, so on the 4-hourly time frame, we have another level right here. You can see this. You can see this. So, and you should understand that when I say the market would be bullish, it doesn't mean that other resistance and support zones will not affect it. All you need to do is to be taking your profit as soon as you get to another strong level. Like what is happening right here, you can see that the market where I've just put that rectangle is a strong level too. Market bought here and sold there, and so this is a key level here on the 4-hourly time frame. So there is a very big chance that the market would want to reverse on getting to this place, and if it gets here, it can just reverse to this level here, then buy massively to the upside. There's a chance it can do that, and there's also a chance that the market won't even do it because of the momentum is building down here. It might move massively to the upside. Maybe it would just break above this level, then retest, then continue buying and breaking through this trend line. It might want to break through this trend line. It may not, maybe today, and it may not be today. But just know that today will mostly be bullish based on what we've seen on the daily time frame and what we've seen on the 4-hourly time frame, because all these gaps here must be filled. All these gaps here, this void, we do call it void, or this space have to be filled. Yes. All right. So that's the key level there on the daily time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, let's continue analyzing down the time frame. Okay, so I go to the 1-hourly time frame. on the 1 hourly time frame, this particular zone here has been consolidating seriously for some days now. I think it's up to about 2 or 3 days now. This particular zone has been really consolidating. Market has been consolidating around this zone. Each time it gets to this zone, it sells. You see, market has been selling each time it gets to this zone, and it might break above it today based on what we see on the higher time frame. Market might break above this zone today, maybe retest properly and continues buying. So we just have to mark it out. You just have to mark it out. And also you should see that the market has been selling. Market has been selling even on this lower time frame for a while. So if you can mark this out properly, let's see what we can get from here. Let's see what we can get from here. One moment. Okay, you can see market has been, one moment guys, let me just adjust this properly so I can. Okay, so you can see market has been buying, has been selling. Boom 1000 has been bearish for a while. Boom 1000 has been bearish for some days, and I mean just this particular movement, this bearish movement here, and there is a breakout. As you can see, the breakout that happened. I'm trying to fix this thing properly, guys. Sorry for the delays. It was in a kind of a channel, and as you can see, there was a breakout at this point. There was a breakout, and there's a proper retest. There's a proper retest now, and it is expected the market might break above this particular high here, based on the daily time frames uh, analysis, what we saw on the daily time frame. So the market might buy above this particular high, this level here, this zone here, then continue going up, targeting this particular level here on the 4 hourly time frame. So we should be expecting some bullish movements in this market today. We should be expecting some bullish movement in this market today. The analysis is as if it is taking too long, just because I am talking while doing it. Usually it doesn't take up to 10 minutes, 5 minutes to do a simple analysis and have an idea of where the market is headed, so I can also trade, as I can get my entry, guys. So that is just it. If we go to the 15 minutes time frame, these things become very clear, or would I say more clearer, as you go down to the 15 minutes time frame. So always know that one thing you should always have in mind is that whenever market buys, it must always sell. Like market bought from here to this high, then it sold down to this place. With this activity it has been doing here, there's a very high chance that the market wants to buy back to the upside. There's a very high chance that the market wants to buy back to the upside. People call it the N pattern. This is the first leg of the N, the diagonal line that forms the part of the N, and in the middle, and this is it wants to form the right leg of the N, the one that goes to the upside. So this is what is going to happen based on my analysis and understanding of the market. So guys, the only thing you do is just to watch out. If you go down to 15 minutes time frame, you can see all these levels we marked out very clearly. You can see these levels we marked out, irrespective of the fact that we are having this particular candlestick pattern right here, this candlestick pattern here, this pin back candlestick, though it signals a possible reversal, even the market spikes down, but the market will still go back up. Today market will still be bullish based on my analysis. The market will still be bullish, guys. So all I want us to do is just to watch out, try to apply this kind of analysis on other markets, like maybe crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500, boom 1000. Try to apply these things and practice them, because the more you practice them, the more you get better at them. The more you practice them, the more you get better at them. Like all these things I'm showing you, if let's say you were on the chart to notice this particular zone here all this while, then you will notice that each time the market gets here with the confirmation you go into sell, you'll be making some good money if you just monitor these things. You know that each time market gets here, it will buy. then you get a confirmation, you buy. Got back here, it will sell. Then you get a confirmation, you will sell. Market, these things are simple. We are the problems. We are our problems, in trading, because we want to see everything happening so easily. You understand? But if we want to apply the simplicity of the market, or understanding these things, it will make it easy for us. But when you pack too much knowledge, too much things into your head, like you know this one, everything just for the same trading, at times you get confused, because you will see one idea or one kind of a setup, and the other stuff you knew will be telling you, no, it's not going to happen. This is what's going to happen. I am seeing a fair value gap. I am seeing another block there. I'm seeing this. So we say I'm seeing a key level there. So when you see too many things in the market, it confuses you and you end up making a wrong decision, guys. So don't just try to offload some of those things you've known, and make it simple for you. Make trading a very simple stuff for you. The analysis should be simple. Should not be something that will take your be stressing you. You understand me, guys? So that's how it works. That's how it works. So I expect the market to be bullish today. I expect the market to be bullish, and just monitor it. Take a good entry once you get an opportunity. Make some money. I don't know when you get this video, but I promise you, if you follow this analysis, or follow this the way I approach the market, you'll be profitable. If you follow it keenly, you'll be profitable. And also, I posted a voice note or an audio file in my Telegram channel that I'll be holding a 1 to 2 weeks mentorship training. For those that have been disturbing and be requesting, I hold the 1 week $10 training, mentorship training again. So I have posted an audio file in the Telegram channel. When you go in there, listen to the audio file. The training is going to be $20. Then I'll hold the training for 1 to 2 weeks, and anybody who knows, I will try to consider those that are not always available. Like, you can pay for the training, and due to your job description, you are not available during the sessions. I'll do some pre-recorded. So I'll do some pre-recorded videos that will specifically for this training, for the training. So you can always watch it whenever you have the time, and then you can contact me, or you can join us whenever you have the chance to join the session, so that you see how we practice them, because I'll take time to create the video. And this applies to everybody who has been, because so many persons have been contacting me, and they pay for mentorship trainings and they are not available because of their job. They're not available when we have when you schedule the classes. So this will really help. It's gonna really help, guys. All right, so just go to the Telegram channel, click make the payment, and contact me directly with the payment details, so you'll take your a seat for the training next week. All right, so please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also post your comments. I want to see your thoughts, guys. I want this channel to grow, and I want you guys to succeed trading this year. Instead of funding your account all the time, depositing without withdrawing, try to invest some money, withdraw some money, and make some payments, guys. Make payments and learn. Get the knowledge so you can earn, and you start withdrawing. Make withdrawal a habit in Deriv. Make withdrawal a habit, not a stuff, something that you keep on depositing all the time, and you withdraw pennies when you deposit tons, thousands of money, of your money, based on your currencies, guys. So I want you guys to be profitable this year. So let's do that to help us. So till my next video, peace out.